students. Today we are going to learn the chapter Central Tendency, and in Central Tendency we are going to learn the how to calculate mean, mode and median from the given data. First, we are going to learn the definition of statistics. Statistics is a branch of science which deals with collection, processing, analysis and interpretation of numerical observations. The science of applications of statistical methods and biological facts and observations is called biometry or biostatistics. It is an important tool in the biological research wherein facts can be expressed with more confidence. Now, what is central value? Central value, which is also known as location, represent the data in the form of a single number. It is the value located in the center of the data and around which observations are distributed. There are three popular methods of expressing the central value and are mean, mode and median. Mean means denotes arithmetic average. It is calculated by making total or sum of all observations present in our data and dividing it by number of observations. That means mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. It is known as mean. What is mode? Mode is the value which is occurs for most number of times in your data. That means frequently coming the same number of observations in your data more times. It is known as mode of your data. What is median? Median is the value which is located in the center of the data. When the observations are arranged in the ascending or descending order, then the central value, that means median, is present in the center of your data. So friends, today we are going to learn how to calculate mean, mode and median from the given data. Calculate mean, mode and median of 10 apple fruit, are given below. Calculate the mean, mode and median of 10 apple fruits. 176, 163, 167, 178, 166, 172, 167, 171, 167 and 173. In our data, 10 apple fruits, weight of 10 apple fruits in grams. Weight of 10 apple fruits are given below. First apple having 176 gram, 163, 167, 178, 166, 172, 167, 171, 167 and 173. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In our data, the weight of 10 apple fruits, and we are going to calculate the mean, mode and median of our data. Now first, mean. Mean means sum of all observations and divided by number of observations. That means 176 plus 163 plus 167 plus 178 plus 166 plus 172 plus 167 plus 171 plus 167 plus 173 is equal to 1700. This is the sum of all observations. Now the formula is mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Sum of all observations are 1700 divided by number of observations are 10. So the mean of your data is 170 gram. This is the mean of our data. 10 apple fruits. The total of 10 apple fruits is 1700. Sum of all apples or sum of all observations are 1700 divided by number of observations 10. 1700 divided by 10 is equal to 170 gram. That means mean of our data is 170. Now we are going to calculate the mode of our data. For calculation of mode and median, we need to rearrange our data into ascending or descending order. So students, first we are going to arrange our data into ascending order. 163, 166, 167, again 167, again 167, 171, 172, 173, 176 and 178. Our data is arranged according to ascending order. 163, 166, 167, 167, again 167, 171, 172, 173, 176 and 178. After arrangement of ascending and descending order, the mode means frequently coming the same number of observations in our data. That means in our data, the observations of 163 single times, 166 again single time, 167 three times, 171 single time, 172 also single, 173 also single, 176 also single and 178 also single. That means 167 coming three times in your data. That means the mode of our data is 167. (167) coming three times in our data. That means the weight of 10 apples, out of 10 apples, 3 apples having the 167 gram of weight, and now 167 appears 3 times in our data. Out of 10, 3 observations are 167, 167 and 167. So the mode of our data is 167. That means frequently coming the same number of observations more times in your data is known as the mode of our data. So students, we are going to calculate the median of our data. Before we calculate the median, we need to arrange our data ascending or descending order. Our data is already arranged according to the ascending order. Now, after arrangement of ascending or descending order, the central value of our data is known as the median of our data. Our observations are in 10 numbers. That means even number of observation. If the observations are odd in number, then it is very easy to calculate the median of our data. But the observations are in even number. It is difficult to calculate, and for that we need to take the two middle observations of our data. That means our observations are 10 in numbers. That means 5 number of observations and 6 number of observations. This is the 5 number of observations and this is 6 number of observations. Both observations are middle in our data. So we need to sum of both observations. That means 167 plus 171. The total is 8, 7, 8, 338. divided by 2. Sum of both observations, middle observations divided by 2 is equal to 169. 169 is the median of our data. If our observations are in even number, then we need to identify the two central observations and sum of both observations divided by number of observations, and then calculate your median. The median of our data is 169. Student, we are going to learn one more examples of calculating mean, mode and median of the data. Calculate mean, median and mode of nine tomato fruits weight given below. '85, '90, '96, '87, '86, '94, '92, '88 and '87. Students, we are going to calculate the 9 tomato fruits weight in grams are given below. 85 gram, 90 gram, 96, 87, 86, 94, 92, 88 and 87 are the 9 tomato fruits weight in grams, and we are going to calculate the mean, mode and median of our data. First, we calculate the mean. Mean means sum of all observations divided by number of observations. 85 plus 90 plus 96 plus 87 plus 86 plus 94 plus 92 plus 88 plus 87. Sum of all observations is 810. The formula for calculation of mean is M is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Sum of all observations are 810 and the number of observations are 9. That means 810 divided by 9, answer is 90. 90 is the mean of our data. 9 tomato fruits, 90 is the mean of our data. Now students, we calculate the mode and median of our data. For calculation of mode and median, we need to rearrange our data in ascending or descending order. So first we are going to arrange our data according to ascending order. '85, '86, '87, 90, 88, 90, 92, 94 and 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we arrange our data according to the ascending order, and we are going to calculate the mode and median of our data. What is mode? Mode means frequently coming the same number of observations in your data. More times in your data is known as the mode of data. 85 coming single, 86 also single, 87 two times, 88 one time, 90 also one time, 92 one time, 94 one time and 96 one time. That means 87 observations coming two times out of 9 observations. The 87 observations are coming two times, that means more times in our data. So the mode of our data is 87. Now we calculate the median of our data. Median means the central value located in the center of the data. That means the center observations is the median of our data. Out of 9, the fifth number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of observations out of 9 observations, the 5 number of observation is the median of our data. That means it is located in the center of our data after arranging ascending or descending order. So the 88 is the median of our data, mode is 87 and mean is 90. 90 mean